हेलो एवरीवन। ये है हमारे कलर्स। लाइट ब्लू कलर, वायलेट कलर, ग्रे कलर, ऑरेंज कलर, ग्रीन कलर, रेड कलर, पिंक कलर, ब्लू कलर, white color, brown color, yellow color, light green color। आज हम सीखेंगे अल्फाबेट्स, कैपिटल लेटर्स एंड स्मॉल लेटर्स। तो बच्चों आप इस वीडियो को पूरा देखें। A for apple, F for apple, A for ant, A for ant, B for banana, B for bus, B for bus, C for carrot, C for cow, C for cow, D for donkey, D for donkey, D for duck, D for dinosaur, E for ear, E for eyebrow, E for eyebrows, F for fish, F for fish, F for fan, G for giraffe, G for giraffe, G for guitar, G for giraffe, G for guitar, H for head, H for hand, I for ice cream, I for ink, A for apple, A for ant, B for bus, B for book, C for car, C for cat, D for dog, D for donkey, E for ear, E for hat, A for ear, E for eyes, F for fish, F for fruits, G for gun, G for guitar, H for hand, H for head, I for igloo, I for ink.